Flat roofs might seem easy to throw up, but man, they need constant TLC to keep from turning into a soggy mess. So here's the deal with flat roofs. You gotta check them regularly because water can just hang out and pool on the surface, which is a no-go. One smart move is using liquid ethylene propylene diene monomer rubber or liquid EPDM rubber if you want to sound fancy. It's perfect for flat roofs since it handles standing water like a champ. When you spot any cracks or blisters, patch them up quick before they turn into bigger leaks. Clean your roof at least twice a year to get rid of dirt and debris that can hold moisture and cause damage. Also, keep an eye on the drainage system. Make sure drains and scuppers are clear so water doesn't just chill there. If your roof starts to sag or pond water for more than a day after rain, get it checked out because that's a sign something's off. Don't forget to inspect after storms too, since heavy rain or hail can mess things up fast. And hey, if you're ever unsure, it's worth calling in a pro to do a thorough inspection. One of the biggest issues with flat roofs is ponding water, which can lead to leaks and structural damage if you don't fix drainage problems early. Make sure gutters and drains are clear and working well. Another common problem is improper installation of the waterproof membrane. If it's not done right, you'll get cracks and blisters, so always hire someone who knows their stuff or use trusted products like liquid EPDM rubber. Lastly, skipping regular inspections and maintenance means small problems turn into expensive repairs. Set reminders to check your roof seasonally and after bad weather to catch issues early. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding reliable local contractors who actually know how to handle your roofing needs without the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to grow your business, BigHomeProjects.com helps connect you with homeowners ready to get work done.